Hello everyone. I'm Damien Pereira, student of Melbourne Polytechnic. Today I'm going to perform some firewall performance evaluations as some of assessment 2 in network design. So for this, we need to work is done in the virtual machine. So we need to first install Kali and PF sensor. So this is the PF sensor. It must be run like this. And this is the Kali. So first, as this task one, I'm going to implement a rule to block specific incoming traffic from a particular IP address range. So for that one, I'm going to use firewall, then rules. So I already have done one thing. So for that one, so I'm just going to show that one. I'm going to edit part. It's not, it's working now. It need to stop. So first we need to do the action as block, and the interface must be WAN. So the family address like this and the protocol as any. So next as a source, we need to select network and the IP address, and you need to select a range over here. You can select either. I'm selecting as 24. And next, just save it. So then press apply the changes. So in order to check whether it is working, so we need to go to the command prompt and need to type the command as ping and the IP address 192.168.10.15. It shows the request time out, which means it's working. Control C. So it shows that the packets are lost, so which means it's blocked. Now I'm going to do the task 2, which is configuring port forwarding to redirect incoming traffic for a specific port to a design internal server. For now, I can just show what's the traffic going over here. Over here. Oh, I can see that like the redirecting part, which normally happens, the normal thing. So here going to firewall, it's a NAT, and here already I have done one thing, so it must be adjusted. It must be in disable, it must be enabled. So it must be in this WAN and it IP4 in TCP, and this must be in a SHA. And this is what the redirecting port as this, and like here, and a description you can write like this, and it must be saved, and then apply that one. And next you can go to diagnostic and top, and here can check. I'm sure. Okay. So host space 10 0 0 dot 10. That's what we had. Yep. So because we are not using anything, I think that's the reason it's not showing up. There are previous in which I got it when it was working. So like see these things related in the same one. So yeah, I need to change it. 100. Yeah, you can see that one. Same as this. So redirecting. So that's the second task. Now I'm going to perform the task 3, which is setting an application control rule to allow or block traffic based on application protocols. So this we are using Suricata. So we need to first download that one from the package manager, and you can see it over here. Uh, because I already have downloaded that one from here. So next we're going to move services, and of the services go to Suricata and go to, because I already have make it. I just want to show what I have done. Go to edit and just click on enabling that one first and use LAN over here and enable this one also HTTP log and tick on the block offender, which will be block the accesses, and use SRC, which I was used it, uh, and just save it from here. And next, move to interface, the global settings. Uh, Tick on this one in the install emergency threats rule and just save it up and just move to updates. And after doing that, if there's some update you could see over here, because we already have done it, there's no updates. So move to interface and just go to the edit and go to the categories over here, and there are a few things you need to tick off. There's a chart rule and P2P rules, and just save it from here and then go to interface and run it from here. So this is, in this task we're going to perform like blocking using BitTorrent, blocking the like downloading files through BitTorrent. So first we need to download BitTorrent, type BitTorrent in the Firefox, and uh, use the classic one, not the web-based one. There are free one over here. You can go and download from here. And because I already have downloaded that one, you can go to files and go to downloads over here, and you can open it from here. And you can see I have just downloaded two of them. And next, you need to install this one to the system using the command prompt. And I have just tried it using Wine BitTorrent, and I have got a lot of errors. So I tried using this to download it using Wine, but I don't know what happened. So I end up with getting a lot of errors. So this is the file that we need to download, but install that isn't working. So what's going on is after we download that one, install it for Kali, and if when we try to download a torrent file through BitTorrent, it must be stopped because our task is to stop the accesses for that one. So that what happened in task 3. Now we're going to do the task 4, which is creating a VPN tunnel and demonstrating secure communication between two network endpoints. So for this, first I'll show my current location. It shows Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. And for this, we need to install the command prompt. We need to type studio apd installation, that one. And after that, uh, search VPN book. And over there, you can install either of this. So I have done this one. So you can check this downloaded in over here, which shows here. Like after that, you need to extract this zip folder to a normal one. And next you need to go to the command prompt and you need to type this to consider where you are right now. So like that. Uh, next ls, and next you need to type cd uh, downloads. So in downloads, ls, and over here you need to use this one. So cd b, yes, that one, and press enter. And after that, uh you need to go over here and open that one, and you can use either of this. So over here, type as sudo open uh and press enter, and it's asking the password. So type your password, and you're asking the username. So the username is in over here. Scroll down, it says VPN book. So VPN book, press enter, and it's asking the password. So it's underneath M34 WK 9W. M34 WK 9W. WK 9W. Press enter, and it says installation secure complete, which means the tunnel has generated. So next, I'm going to show how. So this is what I had previously. When you refresh that one, it shows a different location, which in Canada somewhere. So this shows if the communication between us, I mean somewhere it's secured with using a VPN tunneling. So this is my task 4. Now I'm going to do the final task, which is task 5, which is a configure instruction or detection and prevention system rules to detect the prevent network with attacks like malware. So it's the same setup as the task 3. So which I will show you, which we're going to use the use from the packages. Installing first as Surikata one. So I'll show you quickly from the services. Go to Surikata and go to edit. First enable this one and use the land and just stick this one over here and block offender, which is gives you alert and blocks if unauthorized access happen, and which for the IP address blocker SRC, and just save it from here. And next to global settings, tick this one as a previously and save that one off and go to updates, and if it's any update to show you, then you can update from here. As it's already updated, just move for the other step, which is in the interface, and over here uh, over here click this one and you can find the other LAN category over here. Yeah, just select the LAN category over here. It's confused over here. Just go up. For here, just select this one and malware rules and this one and SNB map the rules one over there and just save it from here. And go to interface again, and you could run it from here. So if there's any malware function is happening in the system, you would come an alert over here. As there's no malware functioning of happening at the moment, there's no alerts can be found over here. So I already have one screenshot of what I got when I was doing. I'll share it for you. So here you can see one of the alert occurs when a malware function occurring. So this is the output of my task 5. Thank you for watching this video, and this is the end of my recording for this assessment. And thank you so much for your valuable time.